Hey, no money. I just want to squeeze the trigger, bumping it down, and wave a hand to you while you're working that Dave made sound. Hello, no money. Derail right back.
No strain, no pain, Derail. Hey, Derail, I got this come big in NVIDIA Shadow Play and this come big in recording working, man. Start that come big in video gate as soon as you ease up on in there. Hey, D-Rail, I've been sitting there trying to get that duck shucker working while I'm talking to 500 because I put that thing on 434 and 420 while Mother Nature's sitting on top of this antenna. Take care, D-Rail. Always a pleasure, my friend. Happy Independence Day coming up. No money working this day-made transmitter. 8-foot-long, 4-element, these 300 bird. I see ya.
Yeah, 410, no money. I heard 2 guns in the garden and 434. Both of them eased it down, man. It got rough and tough. Hey, no money. D-Rail said I heard 2 guns in the garden. I heard 434, and I heard you. It got rough and tough. Hello out there around the northeast corner. D-Rail looking breaker.
It's a Mother Nature thing, D-Rail. No strain, no pain. Take care. Independence Day wave. Hey, D-Rail, no monies. Dave made. I got to jump up and down like a jack in a box with these 300 bird. Hey, D-Rail, I'll see ya.
2 guns, 3 Hey, no need for a blanket statement when I throw a blanket in your radio. 2 guns. 2 guns, D-Rail. No need for a blanket statement when I throw a blanket in your radio. Guns, nobody but D-Rail and that receiver, breaker. Carolinas with the wave is on the Mayo.
There goes 556 Western.
Hey, D-Rail, Mother Nature eased on back up to the Garden State. I'm going to sit wide to the side and put this Dave made back in the rack. D-Rail, no money in Maryland. I'm sitting back.
The fucking train wreck. I heard 2 guns, I heard 434, and I even heard that no money in Maryland. It's a rough and tough on this end. Hello, 2 guns, hello, 434, hello, no money, clean it up there, break it.
No money.
Take care of 420, take care of 434, take care of no money. 2 guns.
Dave made. I'm going to try and clean it up like that, D-Rail. Dave made in Maryland, got down.
Hey, 434, he said he was looking the wrong way.
The only one I heard out of the northeast corner was 2 guns in the garden. The only station I heard out of the northeast corner was 2 guns in the garden. Hey, 2 guns, that's what you said, and that's exactly what happened on this end. 2 guns in the garden. D-Rail said you put it down in my radio. I'm right back.
2 guns.
Hey, D-Rail, here I come. Hey, D-Rail, no money in Maryland said, here I come. Tell them come back and put them come back and water pistols away. D-Rail, no monies. Dave made in Maryland, got down.
Come right back.
Ain't no money. I don't know if 2 guns keep, but there you went. No money. D-Rail said I heard you nice and strong, and I heard you well and swell. I don't know if 2 guns got on them all. Hello, no money in Maryland. D-Rail said I got you. Watchmaker.
And that's no strain, no pain, D-Rail. Hey, D-Rail, I appreciate it. Take care, man. Independence Day wave. I'm going to run before I lose my fun. Hey, D-Rail, no money's Dave made transmitter. 8-foot-long antenna, get down.
We say hello, 357 in the 10. I heard somebody say,
What a train wreck. Hey, Kubar, I got you, 2 guns.
My 2 guns, you said you were spreading, you was getting off the way. I heard 434 telling me something. I heard 2 guns in the garden tell me he was
Alabama ass beater on the Mayo.
2 guns, D-Rail pulling back. Cruising this small modulator.
Dave made. Here I come. No money in Maryland said, here I come. 8-foot-long antenna. Here I come. Got down.
Get down.
He said Dave made. Look here.
Gump, ain't no money. D-Rail said I still got you in my radio. Lady working that Dave made. Working this D-Rail sound right back.
Tell them boys.
Ain't no 2 ways about it, D-Rail. You're working that D-Rail sound. You're working that great big hammer, too. Hey, D-Rail, no money's 8-foot-long, 4-element on the flat side. Direct fed with these 300 bird. I got down.
Oh, we're rolling. Oh, Alabama ass beater either way.
They come back in Alabama ass beater. Got that maul down. What's going on, Gump? I see you.
Hey, good evening time to you, Two Guns, a champ in the garden. I just rolled up in here, man. I heard D-Rail up in there. I thought he might want to put on a show, man. I thought D-Rail in Georgia might want to put on a show, so I kind of cammed this duck plugger up. You hear that lope I got in this duck plugger sound like a damn pro mod. I got this duck plugger wound up jelly tight. And got that duck plugger, and I done got her cammed up like a pro mod. Nitrous oxide. Hey, Two Guns in the garden, Alabama ass beater said, what's up? Wednesday evening, 3.
Here I come, here I come, here I come. Hey, Alabama ass beater, here I come, here I come, here I come, here I come. Hello to you, Alabama ass beater. Well, you got that thing cammed up. Alabama ass beater, no money, no money, no money. Got down.
434. By the time you told me who it was, I kind of got rough around the edge. Let's get this show going. You know, I come up in here and I beat them down last night. I won't beat them down tonight. Oh, Alabama ass beater. Oh, Alabama ass beater working this duck plugging, look what Gump did for me. I'm getting on there.
Oh, Dave made. Hey, Alabama ass beater, look what Gump did for you. Look what Dave did for me. I'll see ya.
I'm waiting on them duck pluggers to get out there and lay it down for hours, on into hours. I hear all these mud ducks talking about, you know, they got this and they got that. Well, hell, for I get out here for 2 or 3, 4 hours solid, man. Don't even let this stuff cool down. Hell, I'm out here, like I said, 2 or 3 or 4 hours solid, and them duck pluggers done took 100 smoke breaks and 100 cool-offs, or break. 21, old space ticket, I'm back off the key now. Well, kind of skip for me.
I guess I'm gonna put the mic back in the rack. I ain't got enough for all this fun. Take care. No money's Dave May transmitter in Maryland. We'll see you.
19 and 22. Checks and the truckers handing out radio checks. You tell that dude like a watchmaker, he may be a friend of mine, man, but I do him the same way I do my mama. She put the damn radio on. I cut her lips, slap off, and roll all kind of fives on her ass. But you tell that dude like a better get a single file line and salute to the fucking Alabama ass beater. Or I'm gonna send him back down there to channel 22 with the rest of the show and tell rejects. I have 430 breaks 2 times. Tell the duck plucker when they get long-winded, they get cut off 2 times in a row. I'm getting down.
Man, rough that time. I don't know if I'm getting a whole bunch of backscatter or what I got going on, but it sure got rough and tough that time around on this here. 0500 in the Carolinas broadcasting my small trans.
A500, I'll do it like this, man. A500, no money in Maryland said I'll do it like this. Hello to you, 500, working your transmitter. No money working this Dave May transmitter in Maryland's reading the mail.
I rolled back up in here in the house, and hell, when I come up in here, the beam was still looking west, so I went ahead and flipped a few switches and turned that duck plugger around the northeast to break.
0 South Carolina's right back in your radio breaker.
Ain't no 2 ways about it. A500, I can't ease up in there with the big boys, man. I'm gonna ease on out the cotton picking middle of the road. Take care, 500. No money's what Dave made transmitter around Maryland's reading this mail.
Ticket 420 on your ground plane, and 434 said, I think D-Rail said something about run, Forrest. Well, Forrest Gump on the movie, he might have ran, but this Forrest Gump right here ain't never ran from nothing. This duck plugger here ain't never ran from nothing. And I sure ain't running from no duck plugging D-Rail. Tell that duck plugger he better roll that duck plugging carrier up, roll his votes up, and run what he brung, because I'm here to play for keeps. Break. 44 in the Carolinas, brother. If you ever get down the way and you happen to run into that person that we both know, tell them I do for you. Don't make them boys blow a fuse. There you go. Make them boys blow a fuse. Yeah, 410 on that. About squeezed your thumb on that one, man. I thought you had 20 off really quick. Hey, 434. It's okay, man, but tell that duck plugger don't wear that run for us run now, because I'm gonna run to us over 20 sheets and get me a little bit when Mother Nature rolls out. But until then, I come out here to bust heads.
heads. And if I can't bust no heads, then I ain't having no fun. A434, tell D-Rail to phone kill.
I think Mother Nature's doing something, but she's still 434. Your watchmaker right back.
420 trying to talk that watch turd. 420 trying to talk the watch turd on his on his duck-looking moron stick. Watchmaker may have to get down there on channel 22 with the rest of the show and tell rejects and show off his.
Hey, Photon, you said I was
A434 D-Rail said untuned driver. Hello, 434. D-Rail said I rolled up 22 channels and I didn't touch a tune or a load. 434 D-Rail, breaker.
Here I come, here I come, here I come, here I come. Oh, to you, D-Rail. D-Rail, no money is day made in Maryland. Come on down.
Spike it down right there, man. Low Latex is rolled up in my note. A434 D-Rail working his untuned driver right back. Breaker.
Tell D-Rail he better bolt it up. Roll that carrier up. I'm reading this mail.
I just want to see if I can ease that Cotton Picking 434 out there, Cotton Picking middle of the road. No money up here around the state of Maryland. Come on down, Alabama ass beater, breaker.
Hello, out there. There's more money around. I come out here every day to play for keeps, man. Money good eating time, tell you while you're working that day and make. I think that's what you're working. But nevertheless, oh hell, I said nevertheless. I didn't drag it out though to get them extra birds, but I will. Watch this. Watch them birds. Watch what them birds do when I drag it out.
CQ 61 Chesapeake Bay.
Only mud runners do that. I'm imitating. I'm getting out.
Photon Gump. Well, Gump, I got it on the Come Picking video gate. You said you ain't trying to roll it out. You said watch them birds. Only mud runners roll it out. Alabama ass beaver. No money in Maryland. Call it like I hear it. Got down.
Down, man. 410 on that. Oh, I got a fucking 420 and 434 up and I want me to. They scratching. I can hear them there, but you got it for the most part. No money. You got it for the most part. I do got to acknowledge them because they was in there scratching. I could hear them saying, tell no money something. And he said something about Dave. And that's when you come up on, hello, 34 in the garden. 4 in the garden. BT around the yard second. I wait on there. Bang, bang. Pop in whenever I get ready to pop in like I did a little bit ago. And I got plugging. I hit them with a sneak attack. I ain't no money in Maryland. They wasn't ready for the sneak attack. I guess they was loafing. I guess them duck pluggers been out here loafing. Well, they better quit loafing, and they better get to pumping. No money. Oh, look what Gump did for me. I'm getting up.
410 on that there, Gump. Hey, Gump, you said them duck pluggers got caught by your sneak attack, and they must have been loafing. Tell them quit loafing and turn the Come Picking volts up, turn the carrier up, and all that nonsense. Hey, Gump. I'm just sitting back on this Come Picking little Dave made. I'm gonna tell you just like Eminem told him in 8 Mile. They want him to tell no money to get Sidewinder to give him this and give him that and give him this and give him that because he ain't got no money. Well, let him know I ain't no need none of it. I got this 4-element 8 foot long and he's 300 bird wide. Say Gump, I'll see ya.
I tell you what, man. On that 4-element. That 4-element smoking for you. You know what I got for him? I got it up like a 6-element Alabama ass beater. I got this 6-element, the wreck fed Alabama ass beater for all them mud ducks, man. Like I told them earlier today when I come out here kicking around, I ain't worried about their 5,000s, 6,000s, 10,000s, 15s, or their 20s. Because if they were what they were cracked up to be, they wouldn't be up here spitting and sputtering around on 28. Duck looking, no money in Maryland. I got them duck pluggers scratching their head because they think I've been out here on a 10. Them duck pluggers, they'd be wiping their eyes and rubbing their bangs back towards the back of their head and all saying, golly damn, we spending all this money and he's down there kicking our ass on this shit. Oh, shame on the mess I'm getting on that.
Hey, Gump, like you, me too. Hey, Gump, like you, me too. You say them dub pluggers out there, you got that 6-element Alabama ass beater direct fed for all the mud runners down there around the southeast corner. That's what you said. You said you ain't scared of no 3s, 6s, 10s, 15s, or 20s, and they all think you're on a 10 because they all scratching their heads because you're down there doing what you're doing with what you got. Oh, look what Gump made for you. That's what you said. Hey, Gump, an Alabama ass beater. No money in this little bitty Dave made transmitter. Got down.
Yeah, 410 on that. Yeah, I had a 10,000. You know, everybody knew that at one time. I had one and decided I'd sell it, and I built me something else and built me something else. And shoot, I've done so many of them duck pluggers. They don't even know what I've got. They see this and come across the duck plucking net, and that and come across the net, and they don't even know which way it went, and they don't even know what else has landed up in it. Oh shit! Them duck pluggers, that was like old dirty turd riding his drop top chicken cock. He's out here one day. I'm over here working these raggedy ass 3500 Z's, and they're running like 10,000. And then I come to clickety clack, knocked him off his duck plugging chicken cock. But I always get fucked up. I ain't on no 10,000, and there ain't no raggedy ass 500 Z's whooping on what I got. Oh shit! Shame on the mess. While I got it laid down, I'm getting on up.
Well, you got it laid down. Hey, Gump, you got it laid down for Duck, Shuck, and Shore. So what you're telling me, hold up. So what you're telling me is all them cotton-picking mud runners are out there with the cotton-picking neighborhood corner whore. That's what you said. They hear them out there, they see them changing hands, and they're going to find this and they're going to find that. That's what you're saying. They're out there getting these cotton-picking amplifiers, and who knows who's laid up in them. Hey, Gump, I think that's what you said when you said it. It's your talk show, man, on this video gate, and I'll see you.
Yeah, 410 on that. Well, ain't nothing like, I just been swapping around, experimenting, playing around with things, and, some of them duck pluggers, they get something there and they stick with it. Well, I'm one of them, man. I like to see what kind of good combination I can come up with. Good combination. And, it don't take a big combination, because I'm down here working a little combination. And what I want to know, while I got this transmitter, kilowatt BT away. Or the moron made break on them, or what? Oh, hell. What happened to them mud-running mud ducks up there?
I don't know. I don't know what happened to them, Gump. Hey, Gump, you want to know if they're picking moron sticks broke? Or what happened to them? I don't know, but it's all you that go around, man. There's a couple of big brothers try to ease up in there. 0500, he eased up in there, and old BT in the yard eased up in there. But 99% of the time, Gump, you got that thing down. Hey, Gump, no money in Maryland. I'm rolling it like I hear it. I see you.
Yeah, 14 on that. 0500.
420 or 500 on the Carolinas.
Double O in the Carolinas. No BT from the retard yard. Oh, wait. It sounds like BT needs to go. Needs to go get him another one of them overmodulated radios. It's a splatter in the spectrum. I know money. I got a video gate the other day where I laid a heavy maul out there, man. I was going to send it to him because somebody told me that he was saying that his
That's the thing, man. You see, you can't get them penalized.
but he was bleeding 15 channels both ways.
It is, man.
And when I heard him out there, he's done that there through that cattle pasture. And I don't look over his radio has never seen a scope or an analyzer. Break. We're going to wave it right back at you, man.
Fourth down on that. You say you want to come back in BT to go get another splatterbox radio? Good gracious of life. And you ain't worried about no 500 in the Carolinas. Hey, Gump, ain't no two ways about it. You got that thing laid down, man. Well, that's what in the world is going on up here, man. All them boys out there with their great big boxes, their big 6 and 5s and 7 elements and this, that, or the other, I could have done all that, man, but I wanted to enjoy the little stuff, man. 300 bird, and it's coming an 8-foot long 4-element. Hey, Gump, I'll see you.
No goddamn more.
Hang on.
Ain't no money, so you can tell them that. You damn right.
The reason I told you to hang on when you come off the key, I heard cut that crosstalk off while I was going back to you. That's why I told you to hold on a second. Because I know what's going on right along in now. No money in Maryland. BT on his duck plugging splatter box that ain't never seen a spectrum analyzer or a duck plugging scopy. And 500. Now 500, he's up there running something I done for him there, but they cut them mud runners radio off. I know in Maryland. Tell him to go stand.
I'll key it down and take sole control if I need to. K420, D-Rail said I'll key it down and take sole control if I need to. K420, is that what you need me to do? Real nosy breaker.
That time around, man, no doubt about it.
Hey, Gump, I heard you. Hey, Gump, I heard you until they come back and D-Rail said he's talking to 420. And he said, I'll key it down and take sole control if you need me to. He's talking to 420. So I'm going to ease up in there and tell him, get old 420 out of the way. And here comes No Money. Hey, D-Rail, No Money in Maryland said, here it is. You took sole control of my radio. It's going to be on that video gate I post up later. But Gump, myself and Gump, we having a talk show down, man. I don't know what in the world else is going on. D-Rail in Georgia, 500 in the Carolinas, and Gump and bam, No Money in Maryland, get down.
You got 410 on that. Well, let's see if D-Rail can hold it. No money in Maryland. Let's see if D-Rail can hold it. 3-4. I ain't gonna say I got any more because I don't know how much key down time he's got. But I got just as much key down time as he's got, and as long as he wants to leave that duck plugger laid down, I can leave it same. Ain't no money. Let's see how many more times he can ease up in your radio, man, while I'm out here working this real Alabama ass beater. No money in Maryland. But tell that fucking BT out there in the retard yard, he needs to get down there on channel 22 with the rest of the rejects and show off his radio gear for CB Show and Tell. Old Gump and Dixie rocking the mail.
Photon, man. You know, it's something crazy, man. Every time I key up, I'm laughing. Hey, Gump, you said you wanted to see how in the world long D-Rail could hold it as you was on top of the come picking pile. I heard him in there. I heard 500 in there as well. And you told me to key before that you did a little something for 500, but you still key on him just like you key on your mother. Shame on the come picking mess. You told old BT out there in the yard to go take his CB radio equipment down there to show and tell and show it off to all the retards, is your words. Shame on the cotton picking mess. Hey, you working that Alabama ass beater, man? I'm gonna roll it like I told it. It's all on the video gate. No money in Maryland. Get down.
Ain't no money. All I need you to tell them is tell them one, tell them all, tell them D-Rail dropped them all. Hey, no money in Maryland. Tell them one, tell them all, tell them that D-Rail dropped them all. No money? D-Rail said, I just wanted to find what receiver Gump was waiting to so I can take the radio away from that receiver. No money. I think he's talking to you. Working at you. No money. D-Rail taking sole control of Gump's radio. I'm getting down.
Well, I had to leave him on the mall that time. He was up in there with you, but you'll see it on the video gate, man. You said you wanted to tell them all, tell them one, and tell them all that D-Rail's dropping them all. That's what you said when you said it. You said you wanted to find what receiver Gump was talking to, and you wanted to ease up in there and cut him off. That's what you said when you said it, man. As he was trying to scratch on up in there. Ain't no two ways about it. It's right back to you, D-Rail. Gump, 500. No money in Maryland. I got down.
Shame on the mess.
Hey, no money. I think he moved over to 434, so I'm waiting for 434 to get off the mall. Hey, no money. D-Rail said, I think, you know, 434, so I'm back. D-Rail said,
I ain't got to worry about it, man. Both of those runners out there, man, they can't get out there and get wrong with it because they ain't equipped for it. Them duck pluggers ain't equipped for it. They might blow a capacitor out or duck plugging tube might
410 on that there, D-Rail. He's on the mall right now, man. He's up in top of the pile that go around, but when I heard John Key, I keyed that thing down. You said he's talking to 434. Well, Mother Nature's moving around, man. Ain't no two ways about it. It's going, there's come picking 6 of us in here. And we're all talking to all different people, like doing a come picking tango. Take care, Derail. No money in Maryland. Sitting back.
48 in a triangle getting up.
410, 434. I'm trying to get in there, boy. Hey, some big hammers in there. I just got this small hammer. Hey, 424, the Watchmaker on the moron made right back.
Hey, Watchmaker, no money in Maryland said, I'm going to ease 434 out your radio. Here I come. Hey, Watchmaker, no money in Maryland said, here I come. I'm going to ease 434 out your radio. Watchmaker, no money in Maryland got down.
Taking somebody's mother nature, break it.
Hey, 410, I quick you there. You have a good one over there. I just want to see if I couldn't break through the mash and trash. Hey, you know, I said I will if you ever get a chance. Hey, 434, the Watchmaker on the moron.
Well, I guess my mother nature dropped off the come picking face of the earth. I guess that come picking hoochie mama put her skirt back down and moved on down the road. Take care, Watchmaker. Take care, Derail, 500 and Alabama ass beater. No money working this Dave May transmitter in Maryland. Get down.
Sit back here and sandbag.
Hey, good evening. No money. Hey, Sam Powell waving and gone.
OT of 420. A420, a new contestant in the fighting match. Come picking, we got a come picking Royal Rumble going on tonight, man. What's going on, 420? Saying, Powell, no money in Maryland. Let's go.
Kicking back, just got back from the salty mine there. No money. Ain't no money. That's what we're doing. Kicking back. Shoot off some fireworks. Holler, look what BT done for him. Them pluggers ain't.
410 or 420, you say you just got off the come picking salty mine. You sit back, you ease and do a little fireworks and whatever else is going on, man. Well, I hope you have a happy and safe Independence Day coming up on that end. A 420 saying, Powell, no money in Maryland, right back.
Evening, man. Them boys are hopping up the coast there, but we definitely heard you bumping it down. Wanted to wave a hand, say good evening to you. No money in Maryland. Push on my seat, listening.
410 or 420, take care, man. Yep. I'm the underdog out here, man. This can make a Royal Rumble going on. We got 434, 420. Can make it 500 in the Carolinas. Derail, Alabama ass beater, Watchmaker, and now you up in there, man. And I'm just sitting up here with this 300 bird and this 4-element 8-foot long beam. I'll see you.
No money, Maryland. There's my good friend right there. No money, sure turn to burn. Hey, no money, Watchmaker. Make it all through, right?
No, you're breaking on through, Watchmaker. I left them all on them all. Hey, Watchmaker, you said it's my turn to burn. Well, it's your turn to burn as well. I've had this come big video gate going this whole time, man. It's going to be a good one. Somebody might get their feelings hurt, and somebody might get their chest poked out. But all I know that go around, it was you, Watchmaker. No money in Maryland, right back.
Money, you take care. Happy 4th, big brother. Sound all kinds of good in my radio, man. Hey, Mr. No Money in Maryland. The Watchmaker on this little moron monster got down.
It's 420.
Well, that moron made is working. Ain't no two ways about it. That's what you said when you said it. Take care, Watchmaker. Happy Independence Day coming up. Be safe and have a good one. No money in Maryland, we'll see you.
Catch you later, no money. Catch you later, no money.
Smooth audio across all that. I caught the end of that, man. There you go, wait one more time around the Buckeye 420 listening break. Yeah, 316.
Well, 420, I feel like you're talking about me, man, when you said something about that smooth audio. Anyway, let me get on out the middle of the Come Bacon Road. 420, Watchmaker, take care around the Powell. No money's Dave May transmitter in Maryland. We'll see you.
316 right there, right now.
He'll, if I turn the box on, he'll come up here in a couple of minutes to see what's going on.
Them rejects.
Yeah, Roger. I just was afraid that the thing that I have was poorly made just because it bled over a little bit, but now I understand because of the power, you can't avoid that.
I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. Call on me, reject, when you need a friend. We all need some somebody to lean on. Mr. Independent getting on now. Hey, time to hit him up on Facebook, man.
Well, there it is. You know, they say always quit your day job and do a better job singing. Hey, Mr. Independent, Mr. Worldwide Gump in the band working at Alabama Ass Beater. No money in Maryland working a state-made transmitter. Got down, got down, got down.
Okay, down here, man. I 434, you got to hammer down too, and what I want to know is where the fucking BT went. I want to know where BT went out there on that overmodulated splatter box. Has he got any more mic gain he can put in him? Tell him to put some more mic gain in it there.
Hey, 17 around North Carolina, old BT gonna wave and get on down. Hope you have a good Independence Day, man. Number 316.
Oh, there to you, BT. Hey, BT, well, you got a great big mall down out here around Maryland. Hello to you, BT in the yard. No money's they made in Maryland. Come on down.
Hey, more money. I heard you in there, man, but it's rough and tough out here, man. I got my ears plugged out here. More money. Sounding good out here on that cotton picking Dave May transmitter, no doubt.
Hey,
Take care, BT. Always a pleasure, my friend. Happy Independence Day coming up. BT in the yard. No money in Maryland. We'll see you.
and guard on 316.
Right out there, more money. Take care, man. I've been listening to your talk show out there for a while. No doubt about it. I've done heard you talk to Gump. I've heard you talk to D-Rail. I heard you talk to Watchmaker. I've heard y'all boys out there. I heard them out there getting after it, no doubt. Take care, more money. Nobody but BT. And we say we'll see you here right now.
Bye, BT. Hey, BT, it's your Comeback and Talk show right about now. Ain't no two ways about it. Yep. Get this video gate rolling. I've been rolling. I've been having some good Mother Nature, man. And I roll it like I hear it, man. Ain't no two ways about it. Hey, shuck a doggone. I've been talking that duplicator so long. Hey, BT. BT, it's your talk show, man. I'm sitting on back.
Triangle getting up.
Yeah, I need to see all the on that first round. I need to see if I get that talk show in 173, man. We'll run without Mother Nature in the North Georgia.
Hey, 173, you say you want to ease up in the talk show. Well, you ease up in the talk show, ease up in this video gate. 173, no money's Dave made in Maryland, get down.
Hey, 420, in South Georgia, right there, right now. Real good round the triangle. Happy Labor Day.
Dave made, 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 Dave made. No money, working his Dave made thing in Maryland, got down.
I'm gonna see if I can get my name called because I don't know where my conditions are at out there tonight. Oh, BT out here around the yard. We gonna see if we can get our name called. Break, break, break.
BT in the yard, you got conditions in Maryland, man. BT around the yard, no money in Maryland, said you're on top of the pile. BT in the yard, conditions in Maryland, I'll see you. I guess my cotton picking conditions are falling off, man. I'm going to ease on back out this video gate. I'm going to say lottie-dottie, everybody. Happy Independence Day coming up. No money working a state-made transmitter. It's 8-foot-long, 4-element. He's 300 bird. We'll see you.
Ford. Hey, 434, tell Gump he's going to need a bigger.
December ride will roll out. December ride will roll out. December will ride out. Sound like BT done dipped to the hideout.
Bye, Gump. Hey, Gump, if you got a sloppy copy, no money in Maryland, said have a good one. I'm going to ease on out of here, man. I hear some locals up here talking, man. I'm going to ease on back off this thing. Take care, Gump. No money in Maryland. We'll see you.